Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I will present about how to negotiate well by Muhammad Abdi NIM 191011164. Definition of negotiation. Here are some meanings of negotiation. Business meetings between one party and another to reach a mutual agreement. Negotiation is not only for business purpose but also for other purpose. Negotiation is very important for human life to survive. All areas of life require negotiation. Negotiation can be formal or informal. Negotiation is negotiation between the two parties to mutually member and accept and bargain occurs to reach a mutual agreement. Also known as consent granted, which occurs in the process of interaction between the two parties with the aim of receiving and giving. Negotiation to get the same goals from the various conflicts arising during the bargaining process. Negotiation characteristic. 1. Involve other people. Negotiation always involve other people either individually or of particular organization or their representative individually or in group. If you do not share their part, it will certainly not be possible to negotiate and even find a bright spot. Sometimes negotiations are only carried out by two people, and this is carried out between leaders or important parties in a company. But many negotiations are also carried out by several people who have the same mission and vision. 2. There is conflict. Every negotiation that occurs is not smooth and result in mutual agreement. In this negotiation, there are always several conflicts that arise when the negotiations are carried out by both parties. Sometimes the conflict creates and threat of conflict that can occur from the beginning to the end of the negotiation until an agreement is reached by both parties. 3. Using goods or service. In a negotiation, always use goods or service for exchange or for the exchange system. The goods or service will be at the stake of both parties, and sometimes conflict arises because of the unsuitability of the offer made for the goods. In negotiation, always use spoken language, special expression, and clear gesture between the two parties. Both parties will negotiate in spoken and easy to understand language. In addition, negotiation member will also use clear facial and body expression to win the negotiation process. 5. Relating to the future. In negotiation, usually the agreement obtained involve several things in the future, things that haven't yet but are expected to happen in the future. The discussion and negotiation is usually an agreement regarding something that will happen in the future but must be considered at this time. Usually, these negotiations are about the work plan or division of labor in the company. 6. There is an agreement between the two parties. Every negotiation, there is always an agreement between the two parties, even though there were many conflicts that occurred during the negotiation. Good negotiation will certainly lead to agreement by both parties. Likely, sometimes one of the parties has to give in to the result of the negotiation. Good negotiation will result in an agreement that is not detrimental to both parties. 7. There are two people. Negotiation carried out by superior against subordinate, between father and son, or both parties who need each other. If there is not one more person, then is it not negotiating the name? There are at least two people who carry out negotiation either within one organization or by one organization with another. 8. In a group for group decision making. Negotiations are not only carried out by one organization with another or with internal parties. Negotiation can also occur between members or with internal parties. If there is internal negotiation, this is often used for decision making in the company. 9. Between groups. Negotiations are carried out between buyers and sellers for a price agreement. in accordance with the quality and quantity of the product. Negotiation between this group sometimes cause conflict and losses for each other if there is no good agreement between the two. Critical success factor in negotiation. 1. Prepare a good time for negotiation to be effective and more efficient. Sometimes negotiators do not take into account the right time to negotiate, even though time is also very vital to the outcome of the negotiation. It is a good idea for each negotiator to find an appropriate time to negotiate that does not interfere with any work schedules or schedules. 2. Set the right target. If a negotiation does not have a target to be negotiated, of course it will be difficult for both parties to decide the outcome of the negotiation. Therefore, both parties should determine the target of the negotiation first before the negotiation is carried out. 3. Obtain precise and accurate information about negotiating opponent. If you are going to negotiate with one of the well-known companies, then don't forget to find out about the company in question. You can find out how well the company has done and what are the advantages of the company. This can be an input for you when you face the company in the upcoming negotiation. 4. Devise the right strategy for negotiation. Devise the right strategy for negotiating. In negotiating, it must be determined that the strategy is really appropriate for each negotiator. If one of the negotiators does not have the right strategy, they will be defeated by the negotiating opponent. 5. The openness of the two negotiators. If the effective negotiators are not open and do not want to convey open information or opinions, it will be very difficult for them to come to a mutual agreement. In negotiation, openness from each party is needed. This openness will make it easier to solve the problem faced and make a collective agreement. 6. An agreement between the two negotiators which negotiator was it. After compromising, both parties can come to a mutual agreement. The agreement is sometimes burdensome to one of the negotiator, even detrimental to him. Therefore, it is better if the making of the agreement must be beneficial to both parties. 7. Clear negotiation result. A good negotiation will decide a clear outcome of the negotiation and can be carried out easily by both negotiators. If the outcome of the collective agreement is not clear, then it will be very difficult for the negotiator to enforce the decision. 8. Implementation of clear negotiation result. Each negotiator must carry out clear negotiation result. Implementation of this result must also be done clearly and can be accounted for later. Strategies to negotiate well. Making achievement target negotiation that will be done. There are minimum and maximum conditions that must be obtained for negotiation. After that, both parties can determine several alternative avenues for solution to be offered during negotiation. The path must be open to each other and not cause problem for both parties. Take other measures for successful negotiation if the first negotiation does not reach an agreement. Any form of negotiation, when held by both parties, are unable to make joint decision because each negotiator has a strong stance and does not want to change. If this happens, then in the next negotiation process, the two parties must be able to determine different paths to reach a mutual agreement. Choosing the best measure. 1. Studying the desire, weakness, and strengths of negotiating opponent. 2. Work on your own to get all the information from the other party. 3. Looking for sufficient evidence about the opponent of the negotiation. effective research to find out everything on the opponent's negotiation. Thinking about the main purpose in negotiating. Giving emotion is very appropriate to achieve common goals. Be cool and unselfish toward negotiating opponent. Achieving the objective of negotiation that are effective and benefit both parties. Talking about the main purpose. Convey only the main objective or matters that are important in the negotiation and do not need to be convoluted and distracted from the problem. Avoid discussing personal matters during negotiation and separate team to negotiate according to their abilities. Be fair. A fair attitude is meant to think about the good and the benefit of all parties without any manipulation. Avoid things that can cause unfair competition for both parties. Win-win solution. Be flexible to all possibilities that occur during the negotiation process. Being flexible will have even that end in negotiation, then the team looked for several alternative options that were mutually beneficial to both parties. Finish the negotiation process quickly. Avoid lengthy negotiation processes and finish the negotiation process immediately. In addition, you can choose good negotiation facilities so that the negotiation process runs quickly. Example conversation: Mr. Smith is negotiating with a supplier company. Smith, thank you for coming to talk to me today, Mrs. Ellen. Let's not waste each other time and let's go straight to the topic. Ellen, I agree. Mr. Smith, what can I do for you? Smith, I would like to suggest an idea. What I have in mind is I believe a win-win situation. A win-win situation for both of us. Ellen, please do go on. Mr. Smith, you have my full attention. Smith, we are establishing a new office in Tokyo, and we are interested in purchasing a large amount of goods from your company. Of course, profit that you give us a good offer. Ellen, what amount of materially are we talking about? Smith, we would need around 500 tables and twice that of chairs, as well as some other office furniture. We will decide on the exact number on no later than next Thursday. Ellen, I see. We could definitely offer a discount for start and amount of goods. And what about the delivery? When what you want the order to be shipped? Smith, we would like the goods delivered by the end of the month. Ellen, that is quite soon, Mr. Smith. It will be tight. I am afraid we will not be able to offer a big discount in that case. Would it be possible to have the order shipped at a later date? Smith, I'm afraid that is not an option for us. We need to get the office ready so we can start working from the beginning of next month. Ellen, I see. Smith, so how much of a discount would you be willing to offer? I know that this is on short notice, but I'd like to add that we are on the hunt for a long-time partner. Ellen, well, with that mentioned, I could offer about 5% off for the upcoming purchase and maybe a little bit more after the contract for a longer term relationship is signed. Smith, I'm afraid that might not be enough to close the deal. We are evaluating offer from other suppliers too. Ellen, you have a hard bargain. I guess competition is first these days. What about a fixed rate of 7% discount? That is my last word. Smith, okay, deal. Thank you very much. It is always a pleasure doing business with you, Mrs. Ellen. Thank you very much. This is my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.